Hi guys, welcome to Dr. Lou's Low Carb Diets. I'm Dr. Lou, and now today we're doing day 2 of a 7-day menu for a ketogenic diet. Okay guys, so if you've just come on and you're not haven't done day 1, you can just shoot back into my channel and just write day 1 and it will come up in the search. So this is day 2. Now this is where you'll start feeling a little bit of a challenge. You may start to feel a little bit of cravings and hunger, and you might start to be able to smell baked goods really well and sugar and things. So this is where you have to control yourself quite well, and that's going to be day 2 to 3. So this is day 2. They will definitely happen day 3, and just to let you know, day 3 is the day when most people quit. So if you fight through day 3, you'll be in day 4, and it'll all get better from there. Okay, so here we go, guys. Here's day 2's menu. So what we can see here for day 2 is you have your breakfast, and what have we had here? We've done a mini fried breakfast. You've got fried eggs, 3 large fried eggs. Don't worry about anything to do with eating eggs. You're burning fat for your energy, and everything's being cleaned out of your body, so don't worry. So fried eggs, 3 large eggs, and eggs are a superfood, don't forget. You've got chipolatas here, 2 pork sausages, approximately 75 grams. They're about 2.9 grams per 2 sausages. You've got tomatoes, 100 grams. You've got, which again, that's about 3 grams. Mushrooms, you've got 50 grams of close cut mushrooms. You've got it to be cooked in olive oil, 1 tablespoon of or avocado oil, and you've got tea or coffee with a splash of milk. So all of that carb, including the splash of milk, is in the net carbs there. So that's broken down, 510 calories, and you can see that obviously eating this is usually quite a pleasant joy to eat on, when you're on a diet. So what you can see here is it's something which is conducive for a ketogenic diet. And then don't forget, first thing in the morning or after eating, whatever your tablet says to do on the instructions, take your supplements, okay? With breakfast, so you have a vitamin C effervescent tablet, sugar-free, 1 tablet, 1 multivitamin and mineral tablet, okay? 1 electrolyte tablet, and a biotin gummies, which could have a variant of things such as sodium and potassium, biotin. Mine have biotin in it, which is vitamin B7, which helps break down fats. There's a whole range of beneficial vitamins and minerals that you can get in them. Some of them have caffeine. Mine has caffeine in it, and there's a few things to perk you up. So you then get all these and combine them, so you get a conducive amount, covering all your daily amounts by a good amount, because you are dropping water, don't forget, with your electrolytes. So it's quite important to have a lot of electrolytes for the first 7 days. Also salt, you put on, that's a fantastic way to get your sodium and chlorine. Now, day 2, for lunch, we have lettuce wrapped burgers. These are nice. I like these. Ground beef, 150 grams of cooked weight. Iceberg lettuce, 2 to 3 large leaves, or as many as you want. Just weigh it. Green bell peppers, 50 grams, diced fine with beef. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon for cooking, and salt and pepper. So that comes in very light, 2.5 grams for lunch. So again, a very good conducive amount. And you can see here that when you look at it, you understand that, yeah, that's fantastic. So it's really enjoyable. You got the lettuce, make sure it's dry. You wrap it up in it and you eat like a tortilla. I really like this one. It's really enjoyable. Okay, so that's 2.5 grams. That's perfect. And then dinner, you've got chicken salad with cheese and walnuts. So what this is, it's grilled chicken breast, 150 grams, 0 carb, mixed leaf salad, which will have maybe 1 gram of carb max, cheese, 0 carb. Make sure you check on your nutritional information. They are 0 carb. Some cheeses are not. Walnuts, you have 10 grams of them. They're very low in carb, and they're full of nutrition and fiber. They're great. Olive oil, 1 tablespoon. You've got minimum carb mayo. So we're going to put that down as about 1 gram mayo for carb. Full fat. Don't dare go for the diet one. Salt and pepper. So then what you do, obviously, you mix it in and make a fantastic salad. I've done this, and it's an absolute delight to eat that with walnuts and everything in it. Beautiful. Now, the daily allowance is 12.3 grams of carb. So This is day 2. Eating this and making it varied and interesting and fun is exactly what helps your psychology. And hopefully with these supplements, you will be having the bare minimum of problems. But your cravings, I believe, not your keto flu, because if you have all these supplements, it will really help you. The transition of the and the keto flu from lack of electrolytes should be bare minimum, hopefully. You also have the thing that you're going to be more upset about will probably be cravings. You'll be getting cravings. Your body will be screaming at you to have something sugary. You can smell the sugar. You can smell the carbs and the baked goods. And that is, you get really heightened smell in it, and you will absolutely adore the smells of anything being cooked with sugar or starch in it. And yes, that's your biggest challenge. Now, day 2 is really, it starts to get hard. It's day 3 that's the killer usually. So you struggle through day 2, and from your blood system and your glycogen could start to be being burned because you haven't eaten carbs for a day. You're probably on your glycogen, and your glycogen is going to last 12 to 24 hours, and that glycogen is just broken down into glucose, so it's using glucose still. So this is, again, a kind of time when your body can start going, why are we using our glycogen? We want those lovely carbs. So as you start to dip in your insulin because you're not getting enough glucose, sugars in your blood sugar, it dips. And then what happens is that signals for, certain things to occur in your body. And that is going to make you crave stuff. And it's sometimes the hard part of the diet, day 2 to 3. It's the hardest part. Usually once you're past day 3 into day 4, you're home free and it's lessons then. And then by day 5 to 7, you're great. So, this is something you need to take into consideration and be tough. So you need to say, no, I'm going to push through. Got my supplements. I'm safe. You've talked to your family doctor and, you've made sure any issues you've covered, any health issues, and he will give you the green light or not. And then it's up to you. So again, this is the thing you have to understand. Take your electrolytes. Take probably the maximum amount for first doing it, because as you dip in your insulin, your water's dropped as well. So your water drops with your sodium because you don't tell your body to hold on to sodium. That's your main electrolyte for your neural systems, for your central and your peripheral nervous system. So you can do action potentials to send signals and think and move for your motor neurons and stuff like this. So it's very important to have enough table salt for sodium, and you get chlorine from the sodium chloride. So 2 important electrolytes. Then the potassium, your magnesium, and your calcium you'll be able to get as well from an electrolyte tablet, and your multivitamins, and it all builds up, and so you shouldn't lack when it drops. Guys, I'm pretty sure you can do it, because all you got to think to yourself is, well, I've got to part with this for 2 days max, maybe a day and a half, and I'm home free. I'm going to be doing the home run. So good luck with it, guys. And I hope you enjoyed that. So thumbs up, please, and subscribe. See you on the next one.